Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to back up Evernote data on Android. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Backing up your Evernote data on Android can help ensure your notes are safe and accessible. So there are a couple of ways for you to be able to back up your data on the Evernote platform using your mobile device, especially the Android. All right, so number one option is go to the upper left corner where you can see your profile icon. All right, click on the settings. Number one feature is going to be using the Evernote's built-in sync feature, which is highly recommended because, for one, hover down below where you can see the sync settings or sync option. If you do that right here, Evernote automatically syncs your notes to the cloud, ensuring they're backed up. All right, ensure sync is enabled, and all I have to do is click this button that says sync now. But in my case, as you can see, it's already completed. All right, so if not, you have to sync it manually to your notes to the cloud. All right. And again, your notes will be available on other devices via the web at evernote.com, which is the web version. All right. So that's one option. The second option is if you hover down below here, where you can see the offline. All right. Click on it. Now, there should be a second option that says make all available offline. And this will download all your notes and notebooks to your device. All right, if you do that, what will happen is, you see, it's going to be downloading all notebooks for you. You can also manage offline notebooks and manage offline notes as well. All right, so I'm not going to do that right now because my space is kind of like reaching its limit. Now for the notes right here, you see, now, I want you to go to this specific notebook that you are creating. So in my case, the last option is going to be creating a manual backup data for this specific notes or notebook. All right, how? All I have to do is click on this specific notes right here, one by one, depending on how many notes inside your notebook. All I have to do is click on this three dots icon here. One option creating a backup is saving it as a template. All right. So after saving your backup, all right, you can use that template later and rename it to whatever file name that you wanted. And then again, on the same options, go to a section that says duplicate note. Wherein if you duplicated that note, you are creating a backup of that specific data or notes here in this platform. All right, so these are going to be your options to back up Evernote using your Android device. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.